Become mighty again. With myTpen Handwriting, teachers have the power of handwriting recognition technology, making it no longer exclusive to the Apple ecosystem. Let's dive into how it all works. Select the Recognize mode to convert your handwriting to text as you write. Here you can see your handwriting recognition results as you write. After conversion, you have the option to copy the text, download it, or export it as a PDF. If you're not using the myTpen handwriting app on your touch device, we suggest connecting to a myTpen Surface Pen tablet or Wacom Pen tablet for an enhanced handwriting experience. These pen tablets are available for purchase at the myTpen e-store. myTpen supports and recognizes over 10 languages. If there's a language not currently supported, you can request for its handwriting recognition to be added. Now, let's switch to the Convert mode. Here you can convert any digital into a natural handwriting style content. You can save this text as notes, a PDF, worksheets, assignments, or classroom materials. Forget about using your keyboard and start writing naturally. You're not average anymore. You're a mighty teacher.